Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Rui, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use trending groups. Trend groups are essentially collections of parameters that can be displayed in a trending chart at the same time. You can edit these as you see fit. Now, we used cable modem termination systems in other demos to explain trending groups before, and we're going to do so again, but this time here on the Zine DataMiner system, so you can try it out yourself. We have a CMTS view in Amsterdam containing a bunch of Cisco CMTS devices. So let's just open one up and check the percentage of offline modems in a chart form. Here, you have only the percentage of offline modems. It's a good metric to pay attention to, and it's even monitored. However, I'd like to look at these in terms of actual amount of modems and not just percentage. So let's go over then to the amount of offline modems chart. So this is it. Now, this number on its own, it's not put in perspective relative to the amount of online modems, something that we could see with the percentage. So we're going to add the online modems too to the same chart. To do this, expand the footer and add an additional parameter and select it. And we want cable modems online. And when done, click Show Trend. Now we have a better picture. The amount of online modems seems acceptably superior to offline modems, so that seems okay. When you hover across the chart, you can see each parameter below listing its current value, along with the minimum and maximum observed values. Now, not only can you add multiple metrics from the same elements, you can also add from other elements too. So you want your chart to show the behavior of offline modem percentages across multiple CMTS devices. To do so, again, in the footer, add the cable modem offline percentage from the different elements. There are 10 in total, so I'll jump cut here. All right, so as you can see, all products describe a similar behavior pattern for offline modem percentages, except for one outlier down here. I checked, and this CMTS is monitoring much more modems compared to the others, which could explain the behavior. Now, if you ever want to revisit this chart without having to add all parameters again, you can save it going to the footer and clicking Save As. You can choose access control settings too. All users can see and edit, all users can see, but only you can edit, or only you can see and edit. We're going to choose a name. I'll say demo offline modems percentage. And once you save, you can expand the trend groups sidebar on the left to access all available trend groups, including the one we just created, without even leaving the element card. Now, it is also possible to access your trend groups from a trending app. This is useful when you have trending groups containing metrics from several different elements, so you don't really want to navigate to a specific element to see it. You go straight to the trending app instead. All right, we have a lot of detailed material regarding trending groups and trending in general in our DataMiner operator courses in Dojo. There are other trending related videos available, and if you're on YouTube, check out the related videos linked down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.